Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about looping and function def. Okay. In looping, we have in that for, while, and do while, then def and end. Little bit you can see about today class. Today we discuss the topic. Okay. Directly, don't waste the time. Directly we'll go to the topic. Type by the command prompt. Type command prompt. Suppose if you want to create by looping statement, you go to that locations where the Ruby programs are there. In this one, you create that one folder. I'll say how to create the folder in the command prompt also. You go to cd backslash. You go to the prompt directory, root directory, then cd Ruby program. The Ruby program already give a dir command listed by all the files and folder. You want to create a folder on that, you give by the mkdir means empty make a directory some file name so loop. Okay, we give a command equal to loop. It is going to create it. Suppose you want to go to the path cd loop, uh, loop. Okay, we go there. Now I want to create a one file here. We have to create a file. I want to create a file with a different way. First directly I want type by creating one file. In the particular directory there is no files not available. I want type the file. I make a clear screen. Type by the notepad. Notepad file name. Suppose I want to create by the one particular file. One file can able to see about all that extensions, all the thing you can able to see here. First, we'll go from as some file. Suppose loop.rb. Okay, loop.rb is given. The file opened by the notepad with a new file. Loop.rb file want to create it. In this folder, you want to create a file. First, simply you test. Put hi. Whether you can able to run or not. Put hi, you can save it. Now come here. Okay. Come here, you want to run it. You want to run it, you can give by the Ruby. Okay, Ruby loop.rb. You see the program is run. Okay. Program is run now. So now we can check it whether we will go to this some other program. I said now loops. When I go to the loop, okay, we have two methods. For this one, we will make by the hash. Okay, hash, we will make it as a run statement. Run statement, we don't execute anything. Now we'll assign the value, some number. Suppose like from a equal to 5. A equal to 5 or 6. Okay. After that, you have to call the function equal to while. Okay. A greater than or equal to uh, greater than or equal to 10. Consider by a greater than or equal to 10. You give the command equal to put as, you put a double quotes I equal double quotes going to close I equal to double quotes comma I. Okay, comma I having that is a statement. Then give by the I. You'll give as a variable. What variable given? A. A equal to A plus 1. Okay. If you make by n now, the program going to save. Okay, what is the thing? A equal to 6 while A greater than or equal to 10. 10 time on repeated. Print with I. A value going to be increment by 1. So the having that is a 6 to 10 going to be display. 6 to 10 going to display. Now, if you save the file, now come to the command prompt. You already the file name already ruby dot loop dot rb. Once click here, it not executed. Why? You can see here a equal to 6. Okay, a greater than a less than or equal to 10 here. What else? So we will call here as that is a function. Okay, comma I. Suppose we'll give like some other terms. We'll give a hash, open parenthesis, under close parenthesis with double quotes. So if you are give this command now, we'll check a less than or equal to 10 conditions true. Now we can run it. Yeah, put yeah, because we declared by x now. So we'll give by x. We also give by x, and then x. Sorry, that means as a a. Yeah, give by a and a. Okay, now we can run it. You see here, you are printing with a equal to 6, a equal to 7, a equal to 9. Because I declared by a variable equal to, suppose give the 1. Okay, if you are given a variable equal to a equal to 1, if you want to run it. Okay, if you run this one, go for the 1 to 10. Suppose in the put test, including by batch class ends are included here. Suppose I want to print with only odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers are there. If you run here, only have an odd number on display. If you want display by the even number, okay, you can display by only even number for even number one display. Similarly, in the same program, how to run from another method all about IRB. What is the file name? Loop.rb. So give by loop.rb. What are the codes are they going to display on the code? Okay, then I have to run the output for that. Okay, if you see now, puts high first displayed, then having the function ba equal to 2 will be printed 2 while checking the condition. Now I type in the same program with some other variable. Okay, with IRB command. IRB I am typing the command. Suppose give by now equal to x equal to 3. Okay. Now see the difference between the normal notepad to this IRB x equal to 3 while check while condition x. If you know what is the value x greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now I have to apply here put as okay I have to give by that simply I give by put as I equal to then hash symbol and open parenthesis. Then I have to give by the I. That means here is a x. To close it and give double quotes. Now I make it by that x equal to x minus 1. I typed, then make by end. Now what is that? X value is greater than or equal to 0. Loop will be repeating. The x variable going to decrement by one time. Loop will be repeating and print the value for. You see now here x equal to 3, 3, first 3, then minus 1, 2, 1. Because if we are given by the equal to 0. If you are not given the equal to 0, then if you want to run now, okay, if you want to run it, okay, only we can execute the code by up to that the program. Okay, what is the variable? X you can assign by 5. Okay, now if you want to run this code, x greater than or equal to you see that 54321. The difference between the normal notepad to this one, this is the one difference. Now I go for the quite UUIT quite. Okay, now come to this our normal program. Now what is the file name? Notepad loop.rb. If you open the file already having the previous codes RB. Now I will make it by this as a rem statement. Okay, rem statement, not executable. That means command statement I can modify. Not type them as a for loop. Suppose I give the command equal to put as for loop. For loop. Okay. I declare by I variable equal to 10. Okay. I equal to 10 here for are given by a in 1 colon colon 1 colon colon 20 then 2. Okay. This syntax I want to print by put as only I. Put as I, we give the range 1 to 20 was given. Okay, already having that is a equal 1 to 20 now. Here it's about assign here one. What we'll see one by one. Okay, and we can save it. Okay, now you can come to here Ruby loop dot rb. Okay, you see here one is going to be print by multiple times because the range was given here. Suppose give by here a value equal to 10 will give by a value equal to 10 by 5 times. Now you can see here, you can able to print the same thing with a different. You see here, 10 will be printing by 10 times. So suppose you want to increment that one. Suppose I equal to I plus 1. Okay, I equal to I plus 1 mean now they want to increment by the 5 time need to be incremented. 5 time going to be incremented, it will give the output equal to The output is given by 10, 11 to 14 are there. That is having that is a for loop. For loop can able to execute it. Suppose here I declare by array also can able to declare. Suppose in this one I declared by array. Suppose array equal to I guess some of CS3 comma double quotes in front of to index now will give by that comma. Then after that you can pass by the some other text also. 101 comma comma end. Okay. You close that bracket. Suppose the array bracket in the square bracket need to be applied. After square bracket, now the previous one you already given now array ARY. Suppose we'll give by some I variable I in particular array. Suppose I variable given, you given the array do. Now I have to print with that only I. Okay. Print with I, already I having some elements are there. For I having elements are there. So we'll check that output. Okay. What is that output for that? Now we want to execute by only Ruby program what it is. Yeah, I do not required because we define the variable, so enable display. For loop, same. CSC 101, then end. 4 string going to be display because I assign with the 0. Suppose you want to check here, what is the put? Put is bracket of space ARY equal to 0. Okay. 0. Then similarly, we give by the putS of 2 and putS of 1. Now you know now what is the 1. Suppose if you want to know before you have to print with the array. PutS of array. Okay, the array will try whether is coming or not. Array. It will not come. Okay. We will say that okay, now you want to execute the loop. Now same thing will display. Now what will happen? Yeah, 0 is that is CSE. Okay, and having third one, second one is that is 101. Then first one is CSE. So alternately came. So if you want to apply here quotas, okay, double quotes slash send. Okay, if you call, okay, this having the array index element to display gap is there. Previously 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. We have print by 0, 3, 1. Okay, that is difference is there. There is having there is a quotas through by the for loop. For loop to be execute the code. Next, we'll execute by same code like okay, I make it by everything command line. Okay, now this is the command executed. Okay, I'll make it by this also command. This also make it command. Okay. Now the file nothing is there. All the file become as a command line, not executable. Simply empty only there. Yeah, for that running purpose, you can able to check it block by block until program value equal to 7. Value equal to 7 until okay we give by that val that equal to 11 do okay we give by the command put us okay val value into 10 okay the value equal to value plus 1 and make it by n. This confirm as the until. Until mean until now go to the statement they want to process want to be executed. Suppose we execute here. Suppose we make by slash that until correct now until value equal to do. What is happen? No. Mm, until value did you mean by until? Yeah, sorry, it is until. Okay, it is give the program. We give a value a equal to 7 until to end. The look like as the for loop and end. Here until dot end we have value 7 multiplied by the 7 plus 1 up to the 4 time. 4 time only executed 70, 80, 90, 100. The loop would be executed by 4 times. This from as the until. Okay, that's it, students. This compromise that is we discussed today. While, for, and until. It continues to continue, students. Today, now we'll go from as that is a def function. Def function you want to go. Before that, we have to go to the folder cd Ruby programs. Then we'll go by the loop. cd loop already created the program. Now come to the editor. We'll go by editor. We'll go for my def function. Directly go for IRB command. IRB. We'll give by the function. Okay. Rather than the definition, we'll call about the directly call the function. Suppose def. Those having that is a def. We'll get some condition for name. Okay, demo. We'll give the demo. You have to pass some argument value. Okay, having that is a age. We are passing the argument equal to age. Okay. Then I have to check the condition if age greater than or equal to 18. Okay. Put us. Okay. Double quotes. You are eligible for vote. Okay. New command and come to the else. Okay. Put us. Okay. You are not eligible. You are not eligible for vote. Okay. Use this command and we make by end. After the end, okay, this from if only going to end, def also need to be end. If you want to end, you'll give demo, that means executed one. Suppose you want to execute the code, have to execute by two ways. Once give by age equal to, suppose give by the 5. If you enter it, then you call by the backspace arrow marks, up arrow marks and type the code and give enter. Automatically age equal to 4, you can give the result for the press enter the. Okay, now you have to pass demo, you have to pass with the age. If you want to pass with the age now, what the age was given 4. So you are not eligible for. Otherwise, you can able to pass the age. Okay, here give by the age equal to 20. If you want to pass the remove 20, you are eligible for the vote. This compromise the definition to call it. Okay, we'll call by n number of time also. Demo will give by the 3. You are not eligible. Suppose demo you give by the 45. That is the eligible for vote. What difference is compromise notepad to this one? It's having the interactive one. You can able to see syntax very easily compared to the previous one. You see now demos like in the notepad, it's not possible to say this kind of the intent will not there. You could not possible to identify clearly that one. So that is called about this. That's it, students. Thank you.